I'm starting a new series, and before you pointed out, yes, I know I make a new series at least every other month, but I can't help that I get bored easily, and I need to be doing something new all the time. The new series is going to be another collaborative project, but this time, one that is aimed at beginners and intermediate learners of Japanese. In case you didn't know, I already have a collaborative writing project for advanced learners, in which viewers and I take turns writing a story about a cat who is intent on killing its owner. I haven't updated that series in a long time, because there's simply not enough participation to progress the story. I'll leave the link to the playlist in the description below, in case you want to help revive the series. You can participate in the new writing project by suggesting up to 5 words or phrases in Japanese that you want to learn how to use. I will then write a short story incorporating those suggested words so that you can see how they are used in context. Depending on the number and choice of words, the story may turn highly chaotic and convoluted, but I'll do my best to keep the story short and coherent.